This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. The pollen filter is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Pull the rubber seal from the bulkhead. Remove the wiring harness cover from the water deflector. Undo the screw and unclip the wiring harness. Lift the water deflector slightly. Then raise the clips at the upper edge and withdraw the pollen filter from the housing. Remove all dirt and debris from the filter housing. Maneuver the new filter element into position, noting the arrows on the top of the filter which indicate the airflow into the cabin. Secure the filter element by pressing down the clips. Lower the water deflector and clip the wiring harness into place. Securely tighten the retaining screw, then refit the wiring harness cover. Press the rubber seal down onto the bulkhead flange. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Firmly lower the bonnet and check that it's securely locked.